Okay, there's the construction hub. Just gotta figure out a way to get there.
Well, our only way in is down. Let's go.
2 weeks ago, there was nothing here. And already they're building up the outer ring.
Well, they're not worried about raids, so it probably speeds things up.
Down. Watcher. He doesn't see us.
Let's keep it that way.
You know, the deeper we go towards the center, the more deepies we'll have up our asses.
Which is exactly why Del and I should be doing this alone.
If we get caught, we can reason with Jen.
I did 15 years in the COG. Highly decorated. Maybe I'd like to discuss with Jin this so-called war you say she was looking to start.
Or our other option, not getting caught. Well, that explains how they're building so fast.
Good thing that was a builder and not a watcher.
Oscar will be fine. I think I know how to avoid watchers.
Remain where you are.
Ah, shit.
Shepherds will escort you from the premises.
Let me handle this.
Citizen, you are not authorized.
No citizens here.
Really?
What? Citizen implies we claim allegiance to a centralized authority. I think of myself as part of an anarcho-collective.
Citizen, your act of violence has been noted.
All right. Guess we're doing this the old way.
You're authorized.
I don't think so.
Attacking.
Locked and loaded.
Hostile targets
Fire in the
acquired.
hole! Take that!
Great. So they know we're here. Smart guy. What now?
Now, new plan. We fight our way to the fabricator. Shit. Gotcha!
Unequal force authorized. Unlawful citizens spotted.
All right, we're clear. Oh shit! Tracker! Who's next? Locked and loaded! Watch out! One dead tracker! Drop one!
So, runaways? What's it like being on the other side of these bombs? Miss your old friend?
It's Red.
Engaging targets.
Another box destroyed! Another dead
Our normal citizen level.
Yeah!
I like this
All right,
race.
that's all of them. You want to see a way out of here?
I see a security gate. A locked security gate.
All right, hold up. Let me think for a second.
Whoa! JD, did you do that?
That wasn't me.
You sure you two aren't COG spies?
Oh, please. You think the COG invented wind flares?
You saying they didn't? Well, even if you are spies, at least we didn't have to teach you how to fight.
Yeah, what is the deal with you outsiders? Most of Raina's people couldn't fight their way out of bed.
You don't want Uncle teaching anyone. He taught me to fight. He's lucky I still speak to him.
Hey, I was very supportive.
Look alive! DB's incoming!
Cease and desist immediately.
Out!
Cease and desist immediately.
Another dead shepherd! Who's next? Construction hub dead ahead!
More DB's incoming!
Commence detainment.
Damn it.
Unit engaging.
Got him!
One dead box!
Unit relocating. Unit reloading.
Another dead shepherd!
Hostile targets acquired.
This'll come in handy.
Targets engaged. On normal citizen. Unit engaging.
Another shepherd destroyed! Oh shit! Tracker!
Activate defense mode.
More DBs. Come and get it.
Cease and desist immediately.
Yes! Another shepherd destroyed!
Defense mode. Engaging. Contacts identified.
Look, the construction hub's just over that wall. Unless it magically lowers! Nope, we need a way around.
I don't get it. All the raids stopped at my mother's.
Let's go through the maternity annex.
Do we have to?
What? What is it?
Just all the baby stuff.
You got an issue with babies?
No. I have an issue with being told I need to have one. Best thing my mother did was raise me away from all this.
Yeah, well, to be fair, we do need to repopulate.
Oh, yeah? Where do I sign up?
Ew.
There's a construction hub. They're following regs, and they always follow regs. Right? The fabricator's inside.
And that maintenance access is our way in.
So what are we waiting for? Let's get to that access door.
Heads up, watcher!
Contact.
We're not done yet, young ones.
lawful citizens life.
Guys, we have a whole parade of DBs coming this way.
Hostile hostile right.
Got it!
Attack! Possible hostile
Yeah, we're good.
contact.
Beautiful thing!
Suppression mode activated.
Ready to roll! Another dead shepherd!
Sigma targets acquired.
Better luck next time!
That's the last one.
Nice work, young ones. Now let's steal that goddamn fabricator.
Oh, look at that. COG deactivated our access codes.
Well, we are enemies of the state.
What? Come on. COG didn't teach you how to hack a simple access lock? Get out of the way. Excuse me.
Look, that's state-of-the-art COG technology. I don't think... Oh, okay.
You two go get that fabricator. We'll watch the door.
I'm going too.
Oh, no, you're not. It's safer out here. Door's closing, young one. Okay? God damn it.
Let's get this heist underway.
Yep, our fabricator should be down in one of the storage bays.
Well, technically, it's their fabricator.
Okay, welcome to cart control. Let's call up the lift and get started.
Are all the construction hubs this big?
Yeah, exactly this big, exactly this shape, exactly this layout.
All right, now we go to the storage base. Del, you get us there. Kate, come with me.
On it. Have fun down there, you two.
We're aboard. Now send us down. Hey, is there a problem?
No. Just figuring out these controls. Ah, here we go.
Hey, what's going on up there? We losing power?
Working on it.
Oh, that's a lot of DBs. Hey, let's keep things moving, all right?
Yeah, I'm trying. These controls are confusing as hell. Uh-oh.
Now what? Del, what the hell are you doing?
I'm sorry. The system locked me out. I cut the power to sneak back in.
Do you control this lift or not?
Yes! Kind of. All right, you're good. Go grab the fabricator.
Kate, just remind me to let you handle controls next time, okay?
I heard that.
Eyes up, there's the fabricator. Hey, help me carry this thing. All right, come on. Nice and easy. All right, it's loaded. Del, get this thing moving.
You got it.
wait to get this thing home and fix the power. Even though reading by candlelight was kind of nice.
That might be the dorkiest thing you say today, but probably not. Whoa, Del! Del, they're locking down the lift!
Shit! Some kind of security override just kicked in. Ah, god damn it! I'm knocked out of the system again!
Well, hack your way back in.
Trackers rolling in!
Don't let him get close!
More trackers! More of them!
Del,
Just
what's your
keep
status?
coming!
I'm hacking back into the system! Just hang on, I think I got it!
And on to the next!
Haha! Hell yeah! I'm bringing you up!
Gotta be joking. Del!
Hey! This isn't easy, man!
Just hurry up and fix it. Shepard's incoming!
Target engaged. Immersion mode initiated.
Oh, yeah!
Activate defense
Del!
mode.
Close the security doors!
I'm trying! It says no access!
I'll be right there!
Unit is on attack.
Got it.
Potential hostile target spotted.
More of them!
Assaulting. Hostile target spotted. Unit relocating. Moving now. Assaulting.
Got it! They're flanking us!
Potential hostile target
Use
spotted.
the override to make cover!
Del, what's your status?
I'm hacking back into the system! Just hang on, I think I got it!
Destroyed! Ah, good. Ammo.
Well, get on before any more security shows up.
Yes! I'm back in the system. Anyone need a ride up?
Yes, please! Oh, you're killing us down here.
No, I'm trying not to.
Wait, whoa, Del, you just missed our stop!
Yeah, I know! Shit just got real in here! I could use a hand!
Hey, we gotta back him up!
Cease and desist immediately.
Bot destroyed!
Enemy target spotted.
Ah!
Unit attacking.
Little help, please!
Reloading. initiated.
Another dead shepherd!
Moving now.
Okay. I'm good. Let's get you back down.
Yeah. That'd be nice. All right, so let's get out of here. Come on, help me with this fabricator. Hey, help me carry this thing.
Hey, you remember what you told Rain about getting a fabricator, JD?
Oh, please, remind me.
In and out, simple job. Direct quotes.
That means it can only get easier from here, right? Get back to Oscar.
Who's gonna be very, very...
Oscar, we got the fabricator. Hi.
Lieutenant, you've been busy.
First Minister Jin. You're looking magnetic.
Enough foolishness. You're coming with us.
Those are new, and they're armed.
They are. And here's what's interesting. Unlike you two, they actually follow orders.
What is this? You looking for a repeat of Settlement 2?
A highly successful operation. It's now our most compliant settlement.
Look, our village hasn't had power in weeks. We need this fabricator.
I don't care about the goddamn fabricator. You're taking my people.
What?
Don't forget, I know what you were trained to do.
Bye?
What the hell was she talking about?
No clue. But we need to get out of here.
That's mysteriously convenient.
Sorry I left you here.
It's okay. Turns out it was safer inside. Hey, smart guy. We're really getting into that thing?
We are, but feel free to stay if you like.
EVPO-1 activated.
Okay, you two, watch the fabricator. We'll take care of our new friends.
Watch it, it's gonna blow!
Back out!
So this is Jin's new super soldier, huh? I'm not impressed!
I kinda doubt they really care, Oscar!
Hey, less talking, more shooting! Right now! Get me up! Hey, roll down! Got it!
Hostile activity.
Hey, flex shot!
Frag out!
Oscar, you and Del carry the fabricator. Kate and I got point.
Okay, let's get one thing straight. When you came out, I was about to make my big play against Jin. So you really didn't save me, per se.
Yeah, Oscar, it's fascinating. Anyone see a way out of here?
What is that?
Oh shit! They're smashing through the wall!
Ready?
This way!
Time to get the hell out of here.
You know what? I find myself agreeing with you more and more.
Condor, incoming!
EVP Saber en route. Containment target spotted. Comply without
What's it happening? Damn, these things don't give up!
mode initiated.
I can't let it go to waste.
Shit, I'm hurt!
I got you.
All right, big guy's down.
There's a dropship!
Hostile contact spotted. Subdue and retain mode engaged. Submersion mode initiated.
Be right there!
EVR-1 ready to assist.
Get me up! Oscar's on his
Hostile
way!
targets identified. Unit is retreating. Surrender and prepare for detention.
Okay, that's all of them.
This raid was a bad idea. Feels like we just started a war.
You heard what Jin said. Whatever this is about, it's not raids. We need to get back. Talk to Reyna.
Yeah, because if there's one thing my mom loves talking about, it's the cog.
Watch it! Trackers! All right, come on. Let's keep moving.
All the loyalty I ever had to the cogs has been punched out of me. Still, it breaks my heart watching Jin rely on a bunch of glorified tin men.
You could always re-enlist. A couple of spots recently opened up in the officer corps.
No thanks. I'm more of a shoot than salute kind of guy.
Citizens, you are in an illegal area.
More DR1. Take him out.
Engage. Investigating potential detainment target.
More drop pods incoming.
EVP Saber operational. Multiple contact identified.
Don't mind if I do. Take that. DR1!
Investigating
These things
hostile
don't give up! Take that. Good. Hey, through here. It's definitely the way we came in, just a little further. Damn it. Now we got snipers.
I wonder what else she's built.
Watch it, snipers.
Hostile targets acquired.
Fire in the hole!
Eyes up, exit's just ahead.
I hope none of Jin's bots found Chuz.
Don't you worry about Ugly. He can take care of himself. Congratulations! You managed to get the Fabricator most of the way out of the settlement.
Well, now we use that crane to lower us a path out of here. Easy.
Easy, huh? There are no controls. Only a DB can operate this thing.
Well, there's gotta be a way to lower it.
Yeah. Let's go!
More TVs incoming! Another drop ship!
Watch it! More snipers!
Citizen spotted.
Nice.
I gotta admit, Runaways, you did pretty good back there.
Pretty good.
Oh, so sorry. I meant magnificent. Oh, I've never seen such spectacular feats of combat.
All right. No need to be a dick about it.
Glad you're safe, Ugly. Your friend Jin? She's not the type to give up.
You're right about that.
Oscar, come on, we gotta go.
Sorry, Hotshot. I drive.
Fine. You drive.
Look, I need you watching our backs. You're a better shot than I am.
Huh. Really?
No, I'm just trying to make you feel better.
Thank God you're safe. I was just about to head to Settlement 5 myself.
We hit a few snags.
What happened?
The short version, the cog is on his way.
How long do we have? I'll greet our guest. First Minister.
Reyna, I'm here for my people. Stand aside.
You're out of your jurisdiction, First Minister.
So, here's what happens next. Anyone who resists COG justice will be dealt with.
Like Settlement 2?
That's your choice.
You're forgetting one thing.
Oh? And what's that?
This isn't Settlement 2.
Okay. Good meeting.
Oh, it's not over. You two, grab the Fabricator and follow me. Carmine! We need to secure the hall with the Fabricator. Let's go.